guys, so I'm back from the lunch with the Bruners. It was really yummy. It was brunch, and we pretty much all got those breakfast burritos. They were so good. And now I'm back. I got some presents to share from the Bruners, but also from some more family members that I haven't mentioned the presents from them yet. And since I already kind of showed you a few of my others from friends, I figured that it would fit well in the vlog here. So I'll kind of go through these pretty quickly though, because I don't want the whole vlog to be this, but my mom got me these really cute travel bags. Look how cute the pattern is. So this one unzips and it holds your hot irons. It's like the inside cover, I guess, is okay to put heat on, like, you know, when you have to pack your stuff real quick, you don't want it to burn your clothes. And then they have this bigger one. I think this one's for, I don't even know what this one's for. It kind of looks like the ones I use for my shoes, but it might be for brushes or just bigger items. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look on the website. This is Lug is the brand. And then this is the third piece that came in the set. And this one you can actually slide onto the top handles of your suitcase, and it sits on the top like that. And this one fits most of your makeup. So there's a compartment in the front here for makeup. And it's all lined so you can easily wipe it off, which I really like. So there's a little area in the front there, and then there's one big major pocket in the center here. And there's a few little zipper compartments and stuff too on the sides. So I'm gonna use this when we go to Disney next week. So I'll show you how I pack those when I do. My mom also got me this really beautiful purse. Now I keep forgetting who the, person is who makes this. She found it on QVC, I believe. She's like a really popular purse maker, I guess. The pattern is what drove her to purchase this for me because it's butterflies, and we every time we see butterflies or anything like butterfly themed, we think of my grandma. And I think I told you guys this before, but she told us that she would visit us as a butterfly like when she passed, and so when we see butterflies, we always say it's my grandma. So she got that for me because of that. Holly, no barking please, girlfriend. And then there's a matching wallet in here too. I think I'm definitely gonna wear this to California, this purse. I feel like it's very boho looking, right, too? I like how it just looks more just like plain leather, printed leather. I don't know, it kind of looks boho to me. It has a little flap here that's magnetic for whatever money and such, and then a big area for cards. And she actually got me a Starbucks gift card in here too, an AMC one, and actually two little AMC ones, and a Marshalls. Thank you, Mama, if you're watching. I love my gifts so much, and they're gonna get put to some good use. And then we've got this beautiful gift. Look, is this not Scream Me? Pink, and it's honeybee. Thank you, Christina. I know that was totally you, but this is from Christina and Rick, my brother and sister-in-law. And I also have a really beautiful card in here for my mother-in-law, and she gave me a gift card, which will also be put to great use when we're in California next week. But look how beautiful the card is. Sheet masks, my EOS lip balm. I think this is kind of like in a passion fruit. Smells so good and summery. Bahamas passion fruit and banana flower fine fragrance mist from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good just initially. Let me spray this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it reminds me of a tropical vacation. The Ferrero Rocher, which is my favorite chocolate. And then some lip gloss. This just says lip glossies. Oh, it's from Bath & Body Works, and it's in the shade Fearless Ruby. Nice. All right. And this really cute pen with a little star charm on it. Next is from my brother and Haley, so Brian and Haley. And this was such a thoughtful, creative gift. So Brian and Haley know that I'm doing like a little extra I have a different TikTok that I'm working on. You guys know this too. That little secret project I'm working on, and it is Disney related. And sometimes I will do like drink recipes on this new endeavor. And so Brian and Haley got me these themed glasses that are Disney related. So the first one is Little Mermaid Ariel inspired. This one says, I want to be where the people aren't. This one is Cinderella inspired, and it's Bibbidi Bobbidi Boozed. They're so cute. I will insert pictures. Hopefully I can find them online that are a little bit more visible than what I can show you from the glasses. This is from the doctor I work for, and Cheryl, who's a good friend and coworker at work, and she works at Michael Kors. So she always has the cutest stuff, and she found this gorgeous pink Michael Kors backpack for me and snagged it when she was working one day, and she said she's been holding it for months because I guess this color may have been sold out by now. It was for like spring, right before summer stuff came out, but super cute. I wish that I was wearing pink to the parks or like on vacation because I would totally bring this with me to California, but I'm actually not going to. I'm gonna save it for when I come back, but I love backpack purses like this. They're just so convenient, especially when you go around shopping. Don't you guys agree? When you guys are watching it, I will be at Disney. So the week after that will be the Disney vlog. I'm kind of debating if I'm going to do just a Disney like California vlog on its own or if I'll add more content into it. It just depends on how much footage I have, but you will not have to wait for a vlog. That's what the beauty of me kind of doing a week behind is here on the vlog. I always have content ready to go for you guys now instead of being worried like when I go on vacation and things like that, that I don't have it ready to go. And Chris is home, so I got gonna actually do some breakfast burrito action because we've got some yummy salsa from my friend Janet. She makes it homemade and it's so good. I'll actually show you guys, but this is just it set up to go. Got some bacon and cheesy scrambled eggs. I forgot to show you guys the salsas, but there's two different kinds. They're both so delicious. So I just got an exciting package from Maylee's. I'm sure you guys have heard about them by now because they are all over social media. And I have been wanting to try out these products for a while, just because I was so skeptical that they actually work. This one especially, the Be Tight Lift and Firm Buttock Mask, Booty Mask. They also call it, I believe, yeah. So you're supposed to put this all over your booty and it's supposed to help relieve cellulite. So we'll see. I'm very excited to try it out because I definitely have some cellulite. And then we've got some Beef Foxy Inner Thigh Firming Cream, which I could use after my weight loss. And same thing for this, the B-Flex Lift and Firm Arm Cream, which also is for firming of the underarms. So these are supposed to firm and help reduce cellulite. So I will be trying them out and letting you guys know. Okay, that's pretty cute. I don't know if you guys saw it. It says you look hot from this angle. Very cute. Also wanted to mention that these are made in the US, which I appreciate, which I think a lot of people probably do. And then this is what the packaging looks like for the other products. I'll be trying them out starting tonight. I'm almost done with my makeup, but I just wanted to share with you guys this amazing lash primer from Too Faced. I think I mentioned it a week or two ago when I first received it in PR, and I've been wearing it for the last week and a half, and I'm obsessed with it. If you have lashes that go straight forward, and even when you curl them with a lash curler, they don't stay up, you need this lash primer. This is the first lash primer or mascara that will leave my lashes staying this curl. Like, these are my natural lashes. I did curl them prior to putting the lash primer on. And then the mascara I'm using is this Urban Decay Wild Lash. But really, the primer is the Magic Worker. So my lashes will stay looking like this. This is the comparison. I have nothing on this side. My lashes will stay looking like this the entire day. I'm going to insert a clip right here. I started trying to film this for you guys, like showing you my lashes yesterday and got cut off. So I just thought I would do it today instead. And I'll show you the clip really quick right here of when I had been wearing my mascara for 8 hours and it still looked this good. My friend Joan and I ended up going back to the JoJo's Coffee House for some brunch. We had these breakfast tacos that were absolutely so delicious. If you ever make your way here, definitely try those out. I am in the process of packing for California. We'll be leaving today in a little couple hours here. But I wanted to show you guys this lug makeup holder, like the travel cases, holds so much. Like, look how nice this is. So much. Let me kind of take off my lip glasses so you can see. But this is actually pretty deep. Like, I have a ton of makeup in here. And then I have it all nice and organized on the side there. And then I'll zip that up. You could put more on the top here, but I don't need to. I have my, like, curling lash curler on the side here. Let me see. But yeah, see, there's room on the sides even. And then these little compartments on the front for, I'm putting it for my little liners and like smaller products like my brow pencils. we're about to pack up the car. All of our goodies. But see how it just kind of slips over the top of it? You don't have to, though. You can just, you know, have it in your bag regular, too. It Velcros on the side there. I didn't realize there's also that back compartment I didn't use. So yeah, lots of room. I also brought a bunch of snacks from home. We have like, do you guys love these? The veggie straws. But if you've never tried the Zesty Ranch flavor, you need to. And then we've got some of our favorite popcorn and smart food. These, have you guys seen these? Smoky ghost pepper puffs. Let me show you what they look like too. They're pretty good. They do have more of like a smoky flavor, and I'm not too into that. Like that smokehouse kind of. But look, it looks like a little fire pepper. And I think I've only seen them at Walmart, and they are limited edition, so that's why I got them to try. We like them, but I don't think I would get them again. And of course you have to get some naughtier candy too, so I have some sour watermelons and gummy worms and lollipops. And then never tried this, but I also got this for us. Yeah, lots of fun snacks for the beach and for the road trip.